This is the BladeDriver multi-tool flashlight. Really nice blade. It does come with different types of screw heads on it. So this is a Phillips, and it works very nicely as well. Also a very capable multi-tool. It comes with a couple of screw heads on it. As you can see, they pull out just like this, just like that. This is a Phillips, and it is a double-headed Phillips screw head. It does have one larger one and then one smaller one on the back, as you can see. Really nicely made. Works very well. Very nice. Very sturdy. And this is also the flashlight right here. Go ahead and turn that on for you guys. See if I can turn that on. There you go. There's the light right there. It is a very small but minimal but useful light. This is a very nice looking blade. It comes with a lifetime warranty. Really nice serrated edge here, and then also straight edge blade towards the top of the blade. Really nice, very sharp. I like the design, the way it is hollowed out here and also on the top there. This is 420 steel. Really nice. Very easy to open, very easy to close with the mechanism. Really nice and durable. This is not going to close on you. And it also comes with a belt clip, and the other thing it does come with, it also comes with a very nice nylon sheath as well, as you can see. Little loop for a belt. Okay guys, so the BladeDriver multi-tool, really nice, like I said. These are the different drivers that it does have right here. They do fold up and they do fold down. And they do come with double-headed drivers, as you can see. and they are located on both sides, and it does have a belt clip. And this knife does have screws throughout to change tensioning and stuff. So I will be opening this up and showing you these flathead drivers right here, and this is the Phillips driver as well. So really nice spring loaded, and this is the light like I had demonstrated before. Really nice light, very nice little efficient light. Works pretty bright at night, not bad at all. You know, does the job for small tasks. So guys, really nice. Really like this blade. Really nice blade, like I said before. The BladeDriver multi-tool has an array of functions, has a very good cutting blade, and I really like this knife. What I'll be doing, guys, is I'll be leaving the link in the description for this knife. Very nice looking knife with a nylon sheath, and it also has the belt clip. Really nice. What I'm going to be doing, guys, like I said, I'll be leaving the link in the description. If you guys on Amazon or YouTube have any questions, please feel free to leave me a message and I will answer it as best as I can. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video.